Hello everyone else, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be showing the best shoe, the Yuto Horigome x Nike SB Dunk Low. So please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. An on-foot look at the stunning Yuto Horigome x Nike SB Dunk Low collaboration. Over the years, Nike has teamed up with various athletes and celebrities to create collaborative collections and limited edition releases. From the iconic Air Jordan line with the legend of basketball himself to partnerships with artists like the late Virgil Abloh and Travis Scott, the Swoosh label has consistently delivered collaborations that captivate the imaginations of sneakerheads worldwide. This year, the world-renowned sportswear brand has teamed up with gold medalist Yuto Horigome to create a Nike SB Dunk, of course, which showcases Horigome's unique style on the silhouette of the iconic skate shoe. The 24-year-old Japanese skateboarder, who is known for his technical tricks and effortless flow on the board, has become a global sensation in the skateboarding community. So it seems only natural that the sports giant would collaborate with him to create a skate shoe that reflects his talent and influence. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Horigome's incredible skills and style have dominated the skateboarding scene, earning him numerous accolades and a devoted fan base. While the team-up is not for a signature sneaker, it still represents a significant milestone for the young sportsman, as he now joins the elite roster of athletes and creatives who have collaborated with Nike. Thanks once again to Yankee Kicks. We can enjoy an on-foot look at the Yuto Horigome x Nike SB Dunk Low. From the images provided, it's clear that Horigome has seized the opportunity to add his own unique flair to the classic SB Dunk Low silhouette. The shoe features a smooth white leather base, while stunning gray suede covers the overlays. Additionally, brown suede textures can be seen on the sneaker's collar, as well as a hit of pink suede on the heel tab, creating an eye-catching color contrast at the heel. The swoosh branding on the medial and lateral profiles appears in a deeper gray hue. At the same time, the skateboarder's moniker can be found below the signature Nike SB Dunk branding on the sneaker's tongue label. Delightful personal touches are added through the addition of a cross-feather logo embroidered on the lateral ankles, as well as on the reverse of the padded tongue. The logo also appears on the right insole via special graphics, which create a Japanese-inspired aesthetic finally. The midsole is kept clean with a white finish, complementing the shoe's overall color scheme. Completing the design, a brown gum rubber outsole features a pink patch on the midfoot plate, beautifully tying the sole to the matching hue found on the heel. With stunning Japanese-inspired details and an eye-catching color scheme, we can't wait for the pair's official backstory and detailed breakdown to be revealed via Nike SB. The Yuto Horigome x Nike SB Dunk Low collaboration is expected to release on August 16, 2023, for a retail price of $130. The sneaker will be available to purchase online at Nike's official website and select Nike SB retailers. You can expect the release to come with 3 different lace options, white, brown, and pink, allowing sneaker enthusiasts to customize their look. The sneaker will most likely also come boxed in limited edition packaging, as with most special releases, adding to the overall collectability and exclusivity of the shoe. If you are interested in getting your hands on a pair, be sure to mark your calendar